Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make lamb pilau. For this recipe you would need ingredients for about 8 shanks of lamb or 6 pounds of lamb meat. Remember, this recipe will serve 16 to 18 people, but you can adjust according to the amount of rice you are making. To make the lamb broth, you would need 1 onion cut into 3 to 4 pieces, about 5 small pieces of ginger, about 13 to 15 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1.5 tablespoons cumin seeds, 3 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 black cardamom, 2 star anise, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 9 cloves, 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 piece of mace, 2 to 3 dried chili pepper, and salt to taste. You can add everything into the pot, or you can use a cheesecloth. Let me show you how to use a cheesecloth. Everything except the lamb shank and salt will be added. Next, tie the cheesecloth. Using a cheesecloth will make it easier to remove everything later. Add lamb shanks, the spices in the cheesecloth or as is, salt, and 20 cups of water. You can adjust the quantity of the water depending on the meat, as this is a large quantity. Cook on high heat until meat is tender. When done, remove the shanks and drain the broth. Don't discard the broth, save it. Remove the shank and the cheesecloth if using, or the spices, and drain the broth. Save the broth for later. Remove the shanks and the cheesecloth from the broth. To make the rice, you will need 8 cups of rice soaked for 1 hour, 2 large thinly sliced onions that have been browned in advance. To fry the onion, you would need a pot. In a pot, add oil, about 2 cups, and fry on medium to low heat, otherwise it will burn. Salt to taste, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon black cumin, 3 to 4 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 star anise, about 8 to 10 cloves, 2 teaspoons black peppercorn, 2 black cardamom, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and the lamb broth. In a large pot, add oil and the fried onions. Fry for a little bit, then add all the whole spices. Next, add the lamb shanks. Fry on medium to low heat for 10 minutes until both sides are golden brown. The lamb skins are now golden brown. Add 16 cups of the broth. Add rice when it starts to boil. Cook rice on high heat. Stir once or twice only. When clear bubbles form, cover and let it cook on very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes or in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.